Yo, what's good everyone? It's MJO23Dan back with another video. Today's video, I'm doing a review on the Air Jordan 3 Laser Orange. Let's get to it. So the Air Jordan 3 Laser Orange. These guys released on August 21, 2020 at a retail price of 190 bucks. So this was a women's colorway, and a lot of people associate it with the Los Angeles Lakers. Congratulations to the 2020 team. They were able to secure the NBA championship in the bubble and LeBron's fourth championship. I saw a couple of the Lakers players wearing this particular shoe, and I was able to get these in a women's size 12, which translates to a men's size 10.5. So not too many sizes bigger than that. So you can see here details on the box. 190 is the retail price. And I'm actually only holding on to these, for a couple months because I've traded them away. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys probably have seen my Kobe Bryant jersey pickups. And, a few years ago, I ended up selling all my Kobe Bryant jerseys. And I had a few good ones, the original like Adidas runs of them. I had the early 2000s Nike versions, and then earlier this year Kobe ended up passing, and I had forgot all about those jerseys, but I ended up selling those some time ago, and now I regret it, of course. So I've actually been trying to pick up my jersey game with Kobe Bryant again, and I don't know, I think it's pretty interesting to restart a collection to see where it goes. And if you guys are interested in any of that stuff, I can do videos, or the easiest way is probably just to follow me on Instagram, because you guys will be able to see any of the latest pickups. But anyways, I traded this one away for a 2003-ish, I believe, 2003, 2004, around there, a Mitchell and Ness Los Angeles Lakers script jersey. It's like the royal blue jersey that the team ended up wearing around that time. Anyways, back to the shoes. So again, it's a Laker inspired shoe. Now they name it Laser Orange, I think because of that pop of brightness of the color. I'm not sure if you can even tell here on camera. In person, it looks a little bit more on the orange side than it does on the yellow side. You can definitely see the yellow though coming through on the back side of the tongue. Again, all the Air Jordan 3s this year have pretty much come in this OG style form where they tuck back the leather, so it's a little bit more flush upon seeing it from the front side. You don't get a little bit of that popping through from the back as you see it up close. So I've kind of liked that transition that they've done with the Air Jordan 3s. Again, they slimmed down the look of the elephant print also, and I think they're still working on that slant of the toe, although I think it could be better. But I do like the lower profile elephant print that have been coming out on the 3s. The leather on the shoe is awesome. It's very soft. I could imagine, breaking these in and, you know, just really being good to go with the type of leather that is on the shoe. I think it's awesome. They've also extended that down to this rand right here, where it's usually like a smooth leather, but they've made that both into a tumbled leather. Perforations up top on the tongue area there. And I do like how they incorporate the pop of color right here on the eyelets. That's one of my favorite parts of the Air Jordan 3. And it just brings the shoe all together, along with the, you know, the Jumpman on the tongue. You know, a lot of people are loving Nike Air nowadays, but with this being a retro, you have the Jumpman Air on the back. I'm not too sure, you know, why they transition between one or the other. Usually they reserve the Nike Air for classic colorways or high style collabs, but this one was just like, you know, your regular retro. So on the inside here, pull this out, we get that cardboard shoe tree. And then on the insole itself, we get that laser orange. It's a thick ortholite insole, you can tell with the blue on the underside. So it's a nice clean shoe. I was actually debating whether I should trade these away or just you know, pay the cash for the jersey, but you know, he wanted to grab these sneakers, and I wanted the jersey, so I figure like these, you know, if I really wanted this shoe again, I could probably purchase it, but with the jersey I probably could have purchased it as well, but you know, a big purchase came up and I had to do a trade. So anyways, let me know what you guys think about the laser orange Air Jordan 3. Is it something that you picked up? Is it something that you are passing on? I know it released like a couple months ago, but and it is a late review, but you know, nonetheless, it's here. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram to see the jersey. You can even give me a thumbs up here if you actually want to see that that jersey review on my YouTube page. But you know, Instagram is probably the best way to check out like any of the new pickups or announcements that I have regarding my channel. Anyways, that's it. Talk to you soon. Take care.